Looking for the best CarPlay screen that are actually worth your money? Today, I've picked the top 5 best CarPlay screen with dash cam that's are available in the market right now based on quality, performance, and customer reviews. You can find the latest prices and product links in the description below. Let's get started, starting with our first pick, Wireless CarPlay Screen. This wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto screen is an excellent upgrade for drivers who want modern smart features without replacing their factory stereo. The seamless Bluetooth and Wi-Fi connectivity provides instant access to navigation, calls, messages, and music while eliminating cable clutter, and the multiple audio output options ensure compatibility with virtually any vehicle. The responsive 9-inch display delivers smooth real-time navigation through Google Maps and Waze, while Siri and Google Assistant voice control enhance both convenience and driving safety. Its integrated 4K front dash cam and 1080p waterproof rear camera produce sharp recordings with dependable night vision, while parking monitoring, collision detection, loop recording, and emergency video locking add valuable security. Installation is refreshingly simple with true plug-and-play functionality through the cigarette lighter, making it suitable for almost any car. Combining premium entertainment, advanced safety features, and effortless installation, this portable CarPlay system offers exceptional value for daily commuting and long-distance travel. Next up is Wireless CarPlay Screen. The Wireless 11 is a premium wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto display that transforms older vehicles into modern smart cars without requiring a costly stereo replacement. Its large 11-inch 1280 by 800 HD touchscreen delivers crisp visuals, responsive touch controls, and smooth wireless mirroring through AirPlay and Miracast for an enhanced multimedia experience. Siri and Google Assistant voice control make navigation, calls, and music effortless while keeping your hands on the wheel. The integrated 4K front dash cam and 1080p rear backup camera, paired with the included 64GB memory card, provide excellent recording quality and added peace of mind for everyday driving. Dynamic parking guidelines improve reversing accuracy, while Bluetooth, AUX, and FM audio outputs offer flexible connectivity for different vehicle setups. Installation is straightforward with automatic power-on functionality, making it an excellent plug-and-play upgrade. Overall, the Wireless 11 combines advanced safety, smart connectivity, and impressive display quality into a feature-rich package that offers exceptional value for daily drivers. Coming in at number 3 is Wireless CarPlay Screen. This 9-inch wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto car stereo is an excellent solution for upgrading virtually any vehicle with modern connectivity and convenience. The plug-and-play design installs easily through the cigarette lighter, allowing you to keep your factory radio while adding wireless access to navigation, calls, messages, music, and apps through Siri or Google Assistant. The responsive touchscreen supports phone mirroring for both iOS and Android, while multiple audio output options, including Bluetooth, FM, AUX, and the built-in speaker, provide flexible, high-quality sound in any driving environment. Real-time GPS navigation with Google Maps and Waze delivers accurate directions and live traffic updates for safer journeys. The included waterproof backup camera enhances parking confidence with clear visuals and straightforward installation by connecting to the reverse light. Regular OTA software updates help maintain compatibility with evolving smartphone systems, ensuring long-term reliability. Overall, this portable CarPlay display combines smart features, dependable performance, and excellent value for everyday driving. Now number 4, Wireless CarPlay Screen. This portable 11.5-inch wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto display delivers a premium in-car experience with its expansive 1600 by 720 HD IPS touchscreen, offering sharp visuals, anti-glare performance, and excellent readability for maps, apps, and camera feeds without obstructing the driver's view. Wireless connectivity is fast and reliable, automatically reconnecting to your smartphone for seamless access to navigation, music, calls, and voice assistants like Siri and Google Assistant. The integrated 4K front dash camera and waterproof 1080p rear backup camera provide exceptional recording quality, enhanced parking assistance, and dependable protection on every journey. Loop recording and the included 64GB memory card ensure continuous video capture with minimal maintenance, while built-in 2GB system memory keeps operations smooth and responsive. The addition of 5 GHz Wi-Fi and Bluetooth 5.0 makes transferring recordings to your phone quick and effortless through the companion app. Overall, this feature-rich CarPlay screen combines entertainment, navigation, and advanced driving security into an outstanding upgrade for both older and newer vehicles. And finally, our last pick is the CarPlay Screen. This wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto display is a feature-packed upgrade that brings modern connectivity and enhanced safety to virtually any vehicle. Wireless pairing with Siri and Google Assistant provides effortless access to navigation, calls, messages, and music without the inconvenience of cables, making every drive more convenient and distraction-free. The crisp 8-inch 1280 by 800 HD touchscreen offers vibrant visuals, while wireless AirPlay and Android Cast allow seamless screen mirroring for entertainment during breaks. Safety is a major highlight, thanks to the integrated 4K front dash camera, 1080p waterproof rear camera with night vision, loop recording, collision detection, and the included 64GB memory card for instant recording. The automatic brightness adjustment improves visibility in changing lighting conditions, reducing eye strain during day and night driving. Its upgraded heavy-duty suction mount remains firmly attached even on rough roads, while the universal plug-and-play installation makes it compatible with cars, trucks, vans, and RVs. Overall, it offers exceptional value, reliability, and convenience for everyday driving. So those were the top 5 best CarPlay screen you can buy right now. If this video helped you make a better buying decision, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more honest reviews. All product links are in the description below. Thanks for watching.